Can you learn to trade crypto if you know nothing about trading? Hi, I'm Maru Hieta, and my challenge is to prove that you can learn and make money with crypto trading. I'm starting from zero and documenting the journey. A lot has happened since my first video, so let's get into it. Here are some basics about online trading that I've recently learned. To start trading, you need to open a trading account at an online brokerage. In my case, I opened an account in crypto.com. It takes a couple of days because you'll need to send them a scan of your ID, utility bill showing your current address, and so on. Once that is done, you can deposit money to your account and buy any cryptocurrency on your platform, like Bitcoin. Just to cover the obvious part in case you don't know absolutely anything about trading, the idea is to buy Bitcoin when the price has dipped and then to sell it when the price is up. And as you do this successfully many times, your stack of dollars gets bigger and bigger. You're trading dollars to Bitcoin and then Bitcoin back to dollars, and you make a profit, right? But most beginners buy when the price and hype is high and then sell when it drops because they don't know any better. And then they quit thinking they're not cut for it. It's like getting into poker and playing against the experts in your first game. You simply lose. Anyway, back to the topic. Now, I don't have time or interest to sit next to my computer and stare at the charts for hours to make trades daily. There are professional traders who do this full time and use multiple indicators and candlestick analysis to predict which way the price will move. In my case, I want the trading to happen automatically while I'm doing something else, like recording YouTube videos or sleeping. So how to do that? How can I automate trading? Okay, here's some more things I've learned. To follow the charts, TradingView is a hugely popular financial analysis platform. So by opening an account on TradingView, I can find the same chart I have on crypto.com, Bitcoin USD, and I can set an alert that will send me an email or text message when something happens. Like if the price drops 15%, maybe I want to know about it. And this way, I know when I should do something. I might be in the store buying groceries when this happens or watching Netflix. What if I could take this to the next level and connect the alert to a system that would do the trade for me without me touching anything? So the system would either buy or sell Bitcoin when some parameters get triggered, like a bot. Bot trading. My own AI trading assistant. That sounds pretty cool. So I learned that there actually is a way to do this. You can connect TradingView alerts with crypto.com and use Autoview to make the trades for you. Autoview is a software that connects the two with API keys, webhooks, and whatnot. What's important is that once you set it up, it can run indefinitely on its own, making trades for you, and you can check in whenever you want or not. So I got in touch with the guys at Autoview and they helped me to set it up. To review the steps, I opened an account at crypto.com and transferred some money to the account. I opened a TradingView account and Brian helped me to pick a good strategy. More about that later. Then I opened an Autoview account and connected TradingView with crypto.com. Finally, we set the alerts with a webhook, so now anytime something triggers the buy or sell signal, everything happens automatically. And now, without knowing much at all about trading, I have a bot running a killer strategy for me, trading Bitcoin while I watch YouTube videos. Honestly, this process had a high learning curve, but following their guidance step by step, I was able to get it working. And you can soon watch the 3-part walkthrough on the Autoview channel. I'll link it here in the comments once it's published. So yes, it was quite a jump from knowing the bare minimum about crypto trading to having an automated trading system running for me. And obviously, this is just the beginning. In future videos, I will dive deeper in trading as I learn how all this works and can invest more in the market. When that happens, you can watch the next video here. If you got any questions, please write below and I'll answer them to my best ability.